Jason Adrian reveals his secret glue-up technique for achieving strong, precise bonds in his impressive bandsaw boxes like the ones shown here. Take it away, Jason.
So how can I combine instant holding power with a long-lasting permanent bond? Well, I'm glad you asked that question because I got a little demo showing how I do just that.
So here I am just gluing on the back one of my bandsaw boxes just because that's the project that I've got going on right now. But you can use the same technique for all sorts of gluing situations. So here I am just kind of spreading some Titebond 1 around with my favorite glue spreader. You'll see that I'm leaving a little bit of space up there at the top. And the reason I'm doing that is because I'm going to go up there with a little bit of CA glue. And what that's going to do for me is that's going to hold that board in nice and straight the way I want it. I really want it flush at the bottom. And so that's going to give me just enough holding power so that when I go and put it into clamps that the board doesn't go sliding all over the place on me. So I just go up there with a little bit of CA glue and then I'll line my board up just the way I want it, and then I'll just hit the top there with some activator and just give it a chance to seep down into there, and that's going to give me just enough holding power that's going to hold everything nice and straight. Alright, and here I am just gluing up one of my drawers, and only in this case I've got a little epoxy mixed up, but then I'm leaving just a little space on each side there and really just doing the same trick with my CA glue. And then once I get everything lined up the way I want it, I just hit it with that CA glue. And that's going to hold everything really nicely in place, and then also allows me to flip it over right away so I can glue up the other side. And so now I'm just going to do the exact same process here, and that's going to hold everything nicely in place while that epoxy cures. So there we go.
Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end. I hope you feel a little bit more informed about the use of all those adhesives. And if you want to learn more about bandsaw boxes and some of the techniques that I've developed in making them, I have a 90-minute video course detailing all the steps that I use to make this box here. It comes with 2 sets of templates, one of the original and one with easier curves for new bandsaw users. It's all on my website, jmawoodstudio.com. And just for Woodworking for Beginners members, I have a 10% discount code. Just enter WW4B into the discount section at checkout to get your 10% discount. Hey, thanks again, and be sure to hit subscribe to see more great content, and I'll see you on the next one.